Add new project, then add 8 photos. The format I use is 3:4. Zoom every photo to fit it on the format. The last clip's duration is 0.7 second and the rest duration is 0.2 second. But first add any overlay. Then adjust its duration to 1.2s. Make sure that the 7 clips will equal to 1.2s duration. Now delete the overlay, then export the project. Now add new project and add gradient gray background or any background that you like and adjust its duration to 1.9 second. Now click at overlay, then add the project we edited earlier. Add keyframe before the last photo of the overlay, and also add at the start of the clip. Make it zoom out at the first kf, then zoom in at the second kf. Now add to kf and zoom the clip at the 2 and keyframe, then add graphies out 3. Split the overlay at the last picture of it. Now add animation combo, zoom 2 at the second clip. Now add text. The animation I use is zoom in with 0.4s duration. Now add 7 smooth slow-mo clip with 2.0 stand-up duration so you can adjust its duration. Now adjust the duration. Here's the list. Add audio. For the transition I use camera, down with 0.4 second duration. Then I apply it to all. We're done. Thank you for watching.